Hello! On this episode, my grandmother shows a very simple way how to make a cherry kompot, which means a homemade drink. To make a liter of kompot, you'll need to add 200 ml of sugar to 400 ml of water. Stir it and heat it up until it starts boiling. You can of course try the syrup to see if it's sweet enough for you. There's one very important thing to keep in mind. Both the lid and the jar have to be cleaned and sterilized, so the kompot could be free of microorganisms as long as possible. To sterilize them, you can put them into the boiling water for a few moments. Once you have your syrup boiling, fill the jar with it and close it lightly with a lid. Cover the jar with a piece of cloth and put it aside. When the kompot had cooled off, pull the liquid back into the pot to boil it again. This is done to lower the chances of microscopic creatures ruining your kompot. And of course, you don't want that. Once the liquid is boiling, fill the jars with kompot, but please don't do as more. She can only do it like that because she's used to the heat. Close the lid tightly, turn it over and leave it to cool off. It's a very simple way of preserving food. Of course, you can use different berries and probably fruit, but bear in mind that different berries might require different amounts of ingredients. Sakyk, thanks for watching. Palauk.
I too. Thanks for watching.
Ačiū, kad žiūrėjot. Mo and I would like to thank you for your support. It really means a lot to us. So again, thank you for watching and until next time. Goodbye. Prepare your preserves in summer because winter is coming.